shallow waters.
Oh, that's horse.
Soak in the sunshine and remember that God loves me.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Happy Sunday to you.
Well, happy Sunday to you as well.
Where's your floaties?
My what?
Your floaties. How are you going to wade out in the shallow water on the surface of the deep blue sea without floaties?
Well, I'm not.
You're not.
No. It's Sunday morning. It's time to dive into God's Word. And this guy is going deep.
Oh, you don't want to go deep. We'll just get you floaties and just hang out in the shallow waters with me. It's really nice.
Oh, sorry, pal. I've drifted in the shallows long enough. I want to dive, and I want to dive deep. Me.
You do?
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Why? I'm not satisfied with John 3:16 and just knowing that God loves me. I have questions. A lot of questions. And there's only one place I can find the answers.
Wikipedia.
Nope. The Bible. Yep, the Bible has all the answers we'll ever need in life. And you know, like who we are, who God is, and how can we be saved?
Oh, I know all that.
Oh, you do, huh?
Yeah, I know all that.
How do you fight temptation? How do you know what gifts God has given you? How can I use those gifts, you know? And how can I find strength in hard times?
That's all in the Bible?
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. It's all there, deep beneath the surface. But if you never get out of that floaty, you'll never find the answer.
Well, you know, I do like it here in the shallow waters. It's safe and it's a warm feeling, but I am curious as to what else is that I'm missing out on.
More than you can imagine, buddy. More than you can imagine.
Well, you know, I do like being in the shallow waters, but I do want to go in deep. I am curious. Do you have another set of scuba gear?
Yep, come on. I'll help